guys, so we are going to use the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. I just got this yesterday and I am so excited about it. It's beautiful. Like, look at that. Ah! I went to Ulta probably like a week or two ago, and I was gonna get the James Charles palette, and they're sold out. So I got a different palette because, you know, I still need to test out makeup anyway, so I just went ahead and got a different palette. Came back in stock like 2 days later, and it's already out of stock, so yeah, unfortunately. If you've gotten it, you are lucky because they just keep flying off the shelves. I'm going to go into Access. Really need to start cleaning my brushes more often, just because sometimes I get a little bit of the other colors on there, but we don't care. I've been wanting the Jaclyn Hill Bold forever, like literally since it came out. I have the original Jaclyn Hill palette, like before they did the sleek packaging. I have the matte packaging that everybody was complaining about because it doesn't clean well, but you know what, I don't care. Do you know how many people see my palette collection? Me. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Agent. It's just in Access, now I'm in Agent. Going into Security. I'm gonna kind of pack it on there kind of heavy. I might need a little bit more of Access to kind of get that yellow back. But that's okay, we can do that. Pick up Access. Make sure she's not getting lost anywhere. She's still beautiful. Yeah, I've wanted this Vault collection since it came out, but it was sold out for a while, and then we just haven't had the money, and then I started doing YouTube. I'm in Smooth Criminal right now, but also like the selection of colors in it aren't as wide as I'd like them to be, just because like I don't want to do just warm tone looks all the time. I want a lot of beautiful different looks, so that way, you know, you're getting a variety, which maybe I should just do warm tone wearable looks all the time, because I'm sure that even though I'll get people complaining, I'll still have more people that are able to wear it. I'm going into Prowl now. I don't know, I just think it's such a pretty palette. She did such a good job on the original palette that I just trusted that this one would be good. And it is. It's actually, I really like the way my eye look is turning out so far. It's just kind of like a very pretty warm tone look. Very wearable. Gorgeous. I feel like it's bringing out the color of my eyes, which is, I mean, my eyes are brown, but they have like a very honey kind of warm brown to them. They're not just like a dark dark brown, which we laughed because my daughter has the darkest eyes, and they're like almost black. They almost remind you of like a soulless teddy bear or something. But yeah, mine are very, very much warm, and in some lighting or some days they can be so light that they're like literally liquid honey. Just so I think that actually looks really good with that. Some days not so much, but you know. Okay. Oh, I just got this too. It smells so good. Like, some fragrances go away after a while. I'm telling you, I put this on yesterday in like the middle of the day, and I woke up this morning and I could still smell it on my hands. I don't even know if it's meant to be for your face, but it smells so good. And I personally don't have sensitive skin, so I do not care. It smells so good. I could die in it. Like, just drown me in that lotion and I would be happy. We were walking through Sephora, and they have the mini tiny itty, like, if you can believe, smaller than this container of it, and they had it out for like if you have 100 points you can get it as a reward. And so since I had it out, I took a little bit and I was like, ooh, this smells good. And I let my friend smell it. She's like, ooh, yes, it does smell really good. And I put some on my hands, and I was like, I wonder what size, how much the big size is. And she found this size in the checkout lane. She's like, oh, it's $20. I was like, oh, honey, that's not the big one. I was like, it's been a while since I've looked at it, but I've been wanting to buy it for a long time, just because I hear so much about it, and like everybody says it's so good, and then like I smell it and it smells so good. I just, every time I smell it, I'm like, oh, I want to have it. And we found the big size and it was $40. I was like, ugh. I was like, I bet you it's $40. It was 45. I was like, yeah, it's outrageous. I can't see spending that much money on a lotion, even though it smells so good. So I went out with my best friend yesterday, and I was so happy to see her. It's been forever. And she's feeling bad because we don't hang out very much. And I was like, but you know, you have a job and a kid and a new boyfriend. Well, not new anymore, but you know, you have a boyfriend that, you know, you gotta spend time with. And we only have one car, so, you know, it's hard to arrange, you know, leaving to go visit. I was like, you know, that's completely normal. I don't expect you to drop your whole life to just come hang out at my house. Like, we don't have to do that. It's just nice seeing you every once in a while, you know. I'm taking that brush that has access on it. I can't wait to use this like army green color either. I'm gonna take a little bit of Prowl. So I was actually talking about Casey Holmes the other day. Being pregnant and being due in July, but I haven't seen any of her videos in a minute, so I'm gonna have to go look her up and see what's going on, because I personally am super excited for her. My son was born on the 4th of July, so like that kind of makes me super excited. Thanks, obnoxiously loud car. Appreciate that. Deepen this up just a tad. Watch me go too far. As always. Back into access. Secure. Do my eyebrows. Taking some nude liner here, and it's Essie's actually, Essence in Silky Nude. 10 out of 10 recommend the pencil liners. 10 out of 10 do not recommend. Why does this eye look so lazy? Do not recommend the liquid liners. I think that's gorgeous, actually. Like, when I say I'm that bitch that doesn't care about drama, I will literally put Jeffree Star as a highlight, Kat Von D as a contour, and Too Faced as a bronzer, and Jaclyn Hill on my eyes. Maybe pick up just a little bit more. Little thingy-jig in there. Alright guys, now my best friend also gave me this. It's Pixie Beauty Blush Duo Honey Peach, Pixie by Petra. It's falling apart a little bit. That doesn't really bother me. I swatched it yesterday and I swear it's like the prettiest color ever, and I was like, why are you getting rid of this? And she was like, oh, because it comes off as a blush on me. I'm like, okay, well, I can see that because she's a lot lighter than me, but like for a drugstore. But like, and yes, I sprayed my face to get it more intense, but like, it is intense. Okay, just for a reference, it's a little cracked, but I'm gonna go straight through the two. I've already got swatches on my hand, but just straight through the two. Oh, sorry. There you go. I swear, me and my husband literally talked about like my little splurge this year. I might be getting a new camera and a ring light, which I'm so excited about, like you don't even know. And then possibly the editing software I've been using, the bot version, so that not have that stupid watermark going across my video. But I do like that editing software, so I want to use it as long as the free trial will let me, even though that stupid watermark's annoying. And I'm sorry if it bothers you, it bothers me too. Hopefully I get the software and then I won't have that watermark. We'll just have pretty videos. Also, I think I might switch all the lights out in my room to white lights because they're kind of yellow. And I think that might help with my lighting situation because I do come off very yellow. That is Jeffree Star Posh Spice. I'm pretty much dry, and I'm gonna add this pretty vulgar gloss just to the center. I literally look like I'm ready for fall. Like, leaves come at me, I don't even care. I'm always ready for fall. Alright guys, that's the final look. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!